10 interesting facts about telescope. 1. The accidental invention. Telescopes weren't initially designed for stargazing. The first telescope emerged in the Netherlands in the early 17th century, likely by accident, by lensmakers experimenting with combinations of lenses. It was initially used for military purposes, like spotting enemy ships from afar. 2. Galileo's game changer. While not the inventor, Galileo Galilei was the first to use the telescope systematically for astronomical observations. In 1609, he pointed his telescope towards the sky and made groundbreaking discoveries, such as the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus, which supported the heliocentric model of the solar system. 3. Refractors versus reflectors. There are two primary types of telescopes, refracting and reflecting. Refracting telescopes use lenses to bend and focus light, while reflecting telescopes use mirrors. Isaac Newton invented the reflecting telescope to avoid chromatic aberration, a color distortion problem found in early refractors. 4. Magnification isn't everything. Many people think that higher magnification is better, but that's not always true. While magnification makes objects appear larger, it also amplifies atmospheric distortions and any imperfections in the telescope's optics. A clear, sharp image at a lower magnification is often more rewarding than a blurry, highly magnified one. 5. Space-based telescopes. Earth's atmosphere distorts and blocks certain types of electromagnetic radiation, like X-rays and gamma rays. Space-based telescopes, like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, orbit above the atmosphere, providing incredibly clear images and access to a broader range of the electromagnetic spectrum. 6. James Webb's revolutionary vision. Speaking of the James Webb Space Telescope, this is the most powerful telescope ever built. It observes primarily in the infrared, allowing it to see through dust clouds and peer back to the earliest galaxies formed after the Big Bang. Its images are transforming our understanding of the early universe. 7. Adaptive optics. Ground-based telescopes are getting smarter. Adaptive optic systems use deformable mirrors that adjust in real time to compensate for atmospheric turbulence. This technology significantly improves the clarity of images taken from Earth-based observatories, rivaling even space-based telescopes in some cases. 8. Radio telescopes. Telescopes aren't just for visible light. Radio telescopes detect radio waves emitted by celestial objects. These waves can penetrate dust clouds and travel vast distances, revealing information about the structure and composition of the universe that visible light telescopes can't see. Giant radio telescope arrays, like ALMA in Chile, combine the signals from many antennas to create incredibly detailed images. 9. Citizen scientists. You don't need to be a professional astronomer to contribute to astronomical research. Citizen science projects allow anyone with a computer and internet connection to analyze telescope data, classify galaxies, search for exoplanets, and make real contributions to scientific discoveries. Websites like Zooniverse host many of these exciting projects. 10. Telescopes for education. Telescopes are fantastic tools for education and inspiring the next generation of scientists. Even a small telescope can reveal the craters on the moon, the rings of Saturn, and the moons of Jupiter. These experiences can spark a lifelong interest in science and astronomy, fostering a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks.